Surviving in the wilderness is about preparation, knowledge, and keeping a calm mindset. Today, we're diving into some practical, easy-to-remember survival tips that can help save your life in a wilderness emergency. From finding water to building a shelter and everything in between, these skills will give you a better chance of making it through. Whether you're hiking, camping, or faced with the unexpected, these survival strategies are essential. The number one killer in survival situations is panic. When faced with the unexpected, your first priority is to slow down, take deep breaths, and think clearly. Once you calm your mind, you can evaluate your surroundings and make smart decisions. Ask yourself, what's my immediate danger? Do I need shelter, water, or first aid first? This clear thinking could be the difference between life and death. Exposure to the elements is one of the fastest ways to lose body heat, especially in cold weather. You need to prioritize finding or building a shelter. Look for natural formations like caves or overhangs, or gather materials like leaves, branches, or debris to construct a basic shelter. Make sure your shelter is insulated from the ground to avoid losing body heat. Dehydration sets in faster than hunger. You can survive up to 3 days without water, but it's not advisable to push those limits. Look for flowing water sources like rivers or streams. If needed, you can collect rainwater or dew from plants. Always purify water before drinking. Boiling it is the safest method if you have the means, but filters and purification tablets work too. In a pinch, you can filter water through cloth or use the sun's UV rays in a clear plastic bottle to help disinfect it. Fire is an essential tool for warmth, cooking food, and signaling for help. Carrying a fire starter, like waterproof matches or a magnesium striker, should be part of your survival kit. In wet conditions, look for dry tinder hidden under logs or dead branches. Once you get a fire going, it's easier to stay warm and conserve energy. While food isn't your first priority, it becomes important after a few days. Foraging for safe wild edibles like berries, nuts, or certain plants is one option. Learning which plants are safe and which are toxic beforehand is crucial. Fishing or trapping small game can also provide essential protein, but remember, it's best to focus on gathering food when your shelter, water, and fire needs are met. Always carry a basic first aid kit. Survival scenarios can lead to cuts, scrapes, burns, or worse, and knowing how to address these injuries quickly is vital. Learn basic wound care, how to clean and bandage a cut, treat a burn, or immobilize a sprain. Preventing infection can save your life in the wild, where medical attention may be far off. If you're lost, the instinct may be to walk aimlessly, but staying put often increases your chances of being found. Use natural navigation tools like the sun, stars, or landmarks to orient yourself if necessary. If you have a signal mirror, whistle, or flare, use them to attract attention. Creating signal fires, 3 fires in a triangle formation, is an internationally recognized distress signal. Survival isn't just physical, it's a mental game. Staying positive, keeping hope alive, and maintaining the will to survive are just as crucial as finding food or water. Break down the tasks into smaller, manageable goals. Every step you take toward survival is a win, so celebrate small victories, like successfully starting a fire or purifying water. In a wilderness survival situation, the key is staying calm, prioritizing your needs, and using the environment to your advantage. Remember, shelter first, then water, food, fire, and first aid. Knowing how to navigate and signal for help can also dramatically improve your chances. Lastly, never underestimate the power of a positive mindset. Now that you've learned these crucial survival tips, it's time to practice. Take a wilderness survival course, test your fire starting skills, or try building a shelter on your next camping trip. The more you prepare, the more these skills become second nature. Remember, survival isn't about luck, it's about preparation and mindset. Stay safe out there, and be ready for whatever the wild throws at you.